This is Nigerian Akamu, known as pap, and this is the perfect way to make it without lumps. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please turn on the post notification. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make your pap without lumps. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If today is your first time coming across my video, my name is Treasure. So this is my pap. If you don't know what is pap, it is made with corn. Yes, dry corn. You soak it in water for some days and then grind it and process it. So right now I've added water in my bowl and then add my pap and then I will mix it. I'll mix it very well in such a way that there will be no lumps. And this is the only way you can get a perfect result, is by mixing it very well. What I mean by mixing it very well is dissolving it in water very well. Yes, after dissolving in water, then I will proceed to the next stage. So you can see it is very smooth and there is no form of lumps in it. So now I'm adding my hot water to make the pap. I'll keep adding the water until I get the consistency that I want. When you are adding the water, you make sure you turn it very well. You stir it very well so that you won't have any form of lumps. Yeah, this is how my pap looks like. Very smooth and very nice. So I will still put it on fire and cook it a little bit before I can use it.
What is any life if not possibility? A dream of peace, a dream of achievement, a dream of hearing someone say these words. They really truly mean.
So now I will add my sugar and I will also add my milk. So my pap is ready. You can take it with akara, you can take it with bread, or you can take it with cake, biscuit, anything, any snacks you wish to take your pap with. You can go ahead and take it. So I am taking my own with hot akara. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Mwah.